Hello friends, thank you for joining. Welcome back again. In the last video, we have seen about basic transformations. How do we shape and transform data in a basic level? And in this video, we are going to see about naming conventions. And in this video is totally for preparing for the PL 300 exam, as we know, and we are in the first part preparing the data. And today we would see about naming conventions, and we can see already we have completed 4 sections. It's a great progress. And before I show the Power BI, let me share you also my technical steps to navigate. And these are all the things that we are going to do today. Yeah, let's jump into Power BI now. So as we already loaded the data before, so we could able to navigate to Power Query Editor by going to the Home tab and clicking on the Transform Data icon, and it will take us to navigation to the navigate to the Power Query Editor. For example, here the names matters here because they are the first thing end user who will see the data table or the visuals and the namings. Everything depends upon the namings. So here clear names will help everyone to understand the data very quickly. And moreover, to if we use like technical terms, like if you see this table right now, or the query, you see the prefix is fact. It is a technical term that for data analytics, but end user would get confused on this, or the business users will get confused, or they will not have a meaningful naming here. And for example, first step, we need to avoid technical prefixes. Like for example, in this table, let me see. Now it is showing fact, but I'm gonna remove this technical term. And this is about the sales, right? Like sales in the year of 2017. So I would name like this, sales 2017. So this looks more simple, easily readable, and more contextual, like meaningful, I would say. Okay, so then the query is good. If you have more queries and tables, you can also rename it, and you can follow same pattern if you want. If you have 2018, then to sales 2018, 19, etc. And now we would see about the column names itself, even for developing your report for the end user or everything. Like this will help you much better. So for example, you can see in the headers, column headers, there is an underscore here because normally most of the databases are named with the underscore. I mean, data in databases, the tables column headers are named with underscores. So like order date and order ID, etc. In Power BI, it's easier to read and more contextual if we replace underscores as empty space. For example, right now I'm changing this name. Right now it shows order underscore ID unique. But if we change it as a empty space and remove this word unique, then this is more easy and more meaningful, right? So this is what I would like to tell you. You can see now I'm quickly removing the underscores on the headers. You will then the data will look more the data will look more contextual. The column headers and names would would be very meaningful. Let me change it. So discount to okay, so we have changed now, for example, and now this is more already a descriptive name. Like you can see, you can easily understand this is sales value, this is revenue value, and stock counts, and and the price, unit price maybe, and other dimensional columns are more informative as well. So as we see, like the most important thing is here, you can pick one style for you and you can stick with that. So for example, I do in this way, like sales 2017, sales 2018. If it is for all the years, then I would say sales for all years or sales all years. So it's more stick with one style and then follow the same and keep it consistent. So you will see the data readability was very high and easy for the end users. And the main goal here is to have, like for example, if a user does not have technical knowledge or without technical understanding, then it's very hard for them to understand with technical namings and etc. So to make it more easy and readable, this is the best way to do that. So in summary, I would say avoid totally technical words and remove underscores and or remove unnecessary words in the headers or the namings, and keep everything like more clear and consistent and very simple. So this is like small efforts, but it will make big difference for your audience. So this is how I would recommend for naming convention. And you can follow this for all the queries and column headers and all other. If you want, you can also apply that in this applied step as well. But you can, whatever changes you make, you can already have it in the applied steps. Then you can revert back if you want. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video, and you can connect with me in LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn ID, and you can also scan the QR code to connect with me via LinkedIn. Thanks a lot. See you later, guys. Bye.